Hello friends, I am going to the chicken coop to let out my ladies and Jules. In this video, I'm just gonna show you my chickens, free ranging. This is how I wind down at the end of the day or over the weekend. They are quite entertaining. I also wanted to share with you that I had received an email from GrubTerra, and they had asked if I would be interested in trying a bag with my chickens to see how they like it, and if I could go ahead and basically give a shout out to them. So let's see how well they like these. And while they are snacking on these, I will go ahead and I will read the information that's on the package. So if you are interested, seems to be an American company, but I will go ahead and read all the information while we are watching them in their little feeding frenzy. Oh, but first, let's collect some eggs. We do a lot of cooking and baking. One of the reasons why I got chickens in the first place is because eggs, they can be expensive from time to time, just depending on what's going on. And you can make so many things with eggs. You can make breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, appetizers, so it could be sweet, savory, whatever. So eggs, you can make so many things with this, including pasta and I guess some breads and pies and things like that. You use an egg wash for it. So let me go ahead and collect the eggs and let's see how many we got today before I let the chickens out. We got one here and we got a lady in here. We'll see how many eggs are under her in just a second. But let me collect this beaut. That's a pretty egg. Hello, lady. Can you say hi to the camera? Hey, my Broody Mama. Let's see what we got in here. Oh my goodness. I feel eggs. Let's get those in there. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a couple more. Beautiful. We'll get those going. This looks like 5 so far. Anything else? You wanting to come out too? I can see some more ladies in the coop back there. Who wants to go out? Who wants to go out? Ooh, I think they're getting excited. Y'all want to join for a feeding frenzy? Broody Mama, what about you? You want to join? Come on out. Come play with us. Okay, so I had to go back to the house and drop the eggs off because I had to go back and get my little rake. Jules can be something else at times, so I have to protect myself. But we're going to be checking out this GrubTerra, and we're going to see what they think about this. Get. Go, free range. I'll call you when it's time. Look at him. He makes me nervous sometimes. But yes, I do like having him because he helps protect the hens once I get situated. I'm going to throw some of these black fly larvae out from GrubTerra, and let's see what they think of it. Okay, so while we're watching them have a little snack, I'll go ahead and talk to you a little bit about GrubTerra. Like I said, they reached out to me in an email, and they offered to send me a bag just to see what my chickens thought. So GrubTerra black soldier fly larva is what this is, and it says it produces stronger eggshells, keeps feathers healthy. They are farm raised. Calcium, it says plus 75%, so 75% more calcium than mealworms, which is great because they have to have calcium to have good, strong eggshells. This is great for chickens, reptiles, fish, and birds. They say at GrubTerra, we strive to provide high quality and healthy products for your pets. Our dried black soldier fly larvae are a perfect feed additive for your flock to keep them healthy and happy all year round. GrubTerra's black soldier fly larvae are also environmentally friendly. GrubTerra and our partner farms feed our black soldier fly larvae pre-consumer food waste from supermarkets. Every 1 pound of GrubTerra's dried black soldier fly larvae equals 20 pounds of food waste saved from landfills. They also say grubs are not for human consumption. Those allergic to shellfish may be sensitive to GrubTerra grubs. And it says it is produced by GrubTerra, and they are located in Chester, New Jersey. Their website is www.grubterra.com. So if you are interested, I do have an affiliate link down below in the description box. I wanted to go ahead and do this video while I had some time because my baby chicks that I am raising, they are currently starting their 4th week. They're going to be transitioning out into the coop here shortly, and I need to make sure I have time to do that. We're either going to do that this weekend or the following weekend. If you haven't caught any of those videos, be sure you pop on over and check out. I made a couple of videos about them, how I ordered them, got them delivered, and I had to go pick them up at the post office. I showed you my small brooder box that I kept them in probably about the first week or so, just so I could keep a close eye on them in the house. And then I moved them out to a much larger brooder box, which I put together a couple crates I got for free from work. And yeah, they're doing great. I did a couple different shorts, actually probably a few different shorts on the baby chicks. Be sure to check that out. But since these ladies and Jules, they are reaching, I want to say either 4 or 5 years old, they are laying less and less. I probably only get maybe a couple of eggs, 2 to 3 eggs a day, maybe. And so that's why I went ahead and I ordered 20 more. Well, I actually ordered 23 baby chicks. Unfortunately, 3 did not make it that first week. And I call this flock my bougie flock because I ordered some that were a little bit more expensive than I probably should have paid. But I'm going to be getting some really cool blue eggs. I think some green eggs, some brown and like a tan, and some dark brown eggs. And so we'll see how all that goes. Let's see if these baby chicks like these grubs. I'm going to go ahead and toss them in. Hold on, let me get this open. They're so skittish. They freak out when I open this. And they all run over there. Oh my gosh, it's mayhem. Okay, so let me open this and I will get some in here. Okay, so here they are. I can't believe I'm touching them. I know they're dead, but it still freaks me out. I'm just going to kind of sprinkle them out here, and let's see how long it takes them to come over and get some snacks. Crap. I'm going to have to, let me try to go get her. Okay, crap. One escaped. I better close this door. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Okay, I am so sorry. Where did she go? Oh, shoot. I think she went under there. Let me try to grab her. So she's under here. I think she is terrified. Anyways. Get out of there. I need a stick or something. Oh, come here. Oh, crap. We finally got her back in the cage. That was an ordeal, to say the least. But they're very skittish because I'm kind of standing here. And this time it's not open so much. A couple of them have come over, and this is actually the second round. They wiped out the first round, so safe to say they like it. But let me see if I can encourage, well, I won't encourage them. Let's see if they trust me enough to walk over here.
There's a few more over here. They're definitely finding their little treats. And I think it's safe to say that baby chicks even like this stuff.
Well, I think it's safe to say that both my big chickens and the chicks both liked these little snacks. And the big chickens, when I let them out, even after this day of free ranging, they kept going back to that same area so they could find some more of their little treats. I definitely think these snacks are a thumbs up. I will be buying these in the future. GrubTerra, thank you so much for reaching out to me. And let me know, what are your chicken's favorite treats? If you like this video, be sure you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Until next time, thank you for watching.